our crew. Say hi to our viewers.
Hi viewers, and you can see the happiness on our face.
Hey. So let's travel.
Another episode of FFT
Fun Food and Travel.
I will show you the culture, the nature, the delicious food.
She belongs to Baripada. So she is leading us to different places, to the tourist places in Baripada.
I'll be the guide for this tour.
So stay tuned with us and let's explore.
Very cold day with a cup of tea is mandatory. So we are in Baripada and we have come for the best cup of tea in this town. So here the tea is made properly in the olden ways in a koila bhatti where you get the proper taste of the tea. So Lopita, let's go and have a cup of tea. I am shivering. So here we have got our best cup of tea. So let's try and we'll let you know the taste.
So this tea has the flavor of elaichi, pepper and the ginger taste as well. Every food that is cooked in a koila bhatti is always tasty.
And this place is located near the veterinary hospital. It is right on the street of veterinary hospital. This is Kunnu Bhai's tea stall. So whenever you are here, you can come and drop down here and have a cup of tea.
This place is popularly known as Ammo Kunna Bhai Cha Dukan.
आपण এই দোকান को केते दिन नु आछन आ এই দোকান স্পেশালি কাহি কি
जय जगन्नाथ शीत दिन ये सकाळुआ थंडार ये जो चार नियारा टेस्ट बा स्वाद कहले कुनु भाई बहुत बड़ दुकान ये बारिपदार गोटे मात्र दुकान मयूरभंज गोटे मात्र दुकान कहले भी अत्युक्ति हेब ना आज चार टेस्ट अलग ये विभिन्न प्रकार चा मिलूँ भेराइटी चा मिलूँ माने विशेषकर टोकन सिस्टम चा पीवा यहाँ हूँ फास्ट टाइम गोटे
Kochri market, which is one of the busiest market in my town, where you can find anything and everything. This is the morning market where you get fresh vegetable, meat and whatnot.
Lovely cup of tea. Now we are heading to have our breakfast and where are we going?
We are going to Jalaram Chaat Bhandar, which makes very famous kachori chaat and samosa chaat. Come with me and taste the special chaat of Baripada. Let's go.
Bhai, gote kachori chaat debe.
Special kachori chaat which she is trying. So Lopita, try and let our viewers know.
It's very tasty. I mean, the kachori has a different taste. It's not like normal kachori that we get in the market every time. It has a very sweet and namkeen masala in it, and the toppings, the pudina chutney and the tomato chutney as well, that is handmade here.
Personally, my one of the favorite.
This is the gudo laddu, or the laddu that is made of jaggery. We are trying this gudo laddu near Jagannath temple, and let's see how do you get the taste of that. Jaggery, when added to bundi, black pepper and cardamom, the taste you get, this is absolutely the taste. Actually, you will love it.
This shop is around 100-year-old. We have a ritual in Baripada while the Rath Yatra. After this sweet is served as a prasad near Lord Jagannath, this is thrown to the public from the Rath. So this is the speciality of our Baripada. Baripada is the second most crowded place during Rath Yatra, and after Puri, Baripada Rath Yatra is quite famous in Odisha. नामटा कौन?
मो नाम सरोज कुमार साहू, निकनेम टूना।
अच्छा आपको ये दुकान को केते वर्ष हेलानी आ लोक माने कोन रेस्पॉन्स आरो स्पेशलिटी कोन?
दुकान 100 वर्ष रु ऊर्ध्व हेबो। तो हमर माने दुकान जे बापा को बापा आरंभ करथिले, रजांकर जेता शासन चलथिला मौजभंज गड हिसाब रे, से समय रे हमर दुकान।
So now we are at Bapapo Jolkhe Dukan, which is in KC Circle, to try this malpua and aloo tarkari.
Lupita, this is the authentic taste of our Mayurbhanj. Our day starts with some sweet and this spicy aloo curry.
Okay.
So go ahead, taste and let our viewers know how do you feel the taste of Mayurbhanj.
And let me tell you, Bapapo Jolkhe Dukan is here in the same place from last 50 years.
Even my grandfather was coming here at that time, so that's why. So how did you get the taste?
Aloo curry is so tasty, oh my god, this is very tasty, this aloo curry. And this is so soft, you can see this is so soft.
And this malpua has cumin seeds and it has very mild sweetness. It doesn't have a lot of sweetness. And this curry, I must tell you, you saw 2 chilies in there, but when you taste it, you just don't feel the chili at all. So
this is absolutely,
and this is the delicacy of Mayurbhanj. Stay tuned to know more about Mayurbhanj.
so these are the breakfast places that you shouldn't miss when you are in Mayurbhanj or Baripada.
If you like this episode, do give a thumbs up and do not forget to let us know in our comment section below when you visit all these places.
And if you have already visited these places, do let us know which one is your favorite place. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe to OrissapostLive.
Until then, this is Manvita.
This is Lopita signing off.